Hi guys, as a celebration of nearly reaching 500 subscribers and my birthday being around the corner, I've decided to buy this inflatable plane and be able to blow it up and see how big it can really go. It should look something like this once we have it up. If you're here just for gadget reviews, please tune in to my next video where I review this very unique power bank, which is only 6cm. Now it has two unique points to this. One, a micro USB, and another, a micro USB-C plug. So tune in to my next video and look out for the thumbnail over here where the video is released. So if not, follow me for some slow motion goodness as we bring this inflatable plane and blow it up. Today is a special day as we head towards 500 subscribers. I thought of doing something different to mark this day and reflect a little on my YouTube journey. So please enjoy these B-rolls while I talk. These 2 years of consistent posting on YouTube at least once a week have not been easy. But among the arduous journey, I find myself fortunate to have encouraging subscribers, often leaving comments such as, "Really love your content, you should have more views." Unfortunately, the only way to spread my content is basically just to create more videos with more of your interactions in each one. For each of my videos, I try my best to provide value and honest perspective towards the products I bought or given to be reviewed. I believe in time, the channel will continue to grow and I would like you guys to know that it is because of each one of you guys who turns up consistently. Be it liking, sharing, or just watching the whole video through helps me a lot. I do not know what exciting products and photography topics lies ahead for me to touch on, but nearly reaching 500 subscribers is certainly a good indication of growth. Thank you, please continue to stick around and I'll see you guys in the next video.